Dulux Duramax Marble Finish is a specialty spray paint that delivers an elegant marble finish on top of existing Dulux Duramax decorative colours. Wipe the surface of your object, making sure it's clean and dry. Use the cap of the spray can to give you access underneath the object. Spray the surface with your choice of base coat colour that will present with the black marble effect. Apply Dulux Duramax Marble Effect, black, to your painted surface. Spray with fast, even strokes parallel to the surface. Prevent blocking by turning can upside down and spraying until clear. Finish off by applying Duramax Gloss Clear Coat. This delivers an essential protective finish to your surface. And we're done. Create magic with Duramax.